Hello, hello, hello. Is it me you're looking for? Your Mexican chef, your Jamaican chef, your Mexican chef. Okay, welcome back again to another video. Today I will be preparing chicken tinga. It's a Mexican dish and I'm gonna share my twist on it. And I hope you enjoy. I will always leave the recipe in the description box below. So let's get started. I'm gonna walk you through the ingredients I'm using. The kitchen is very small, so please bear with me for the time being. Okay, let's get into it. So I have here coconut oil here in the pot going. So what we're gonna do is that we're gonna toast. We have onion, garlic, oregano, cumin, and chipotle, as well as tomato, and we're gonna add salt to taste. What we're gonna do is toast all these ingredients, and when we toast them, then we're gonna put it in the blender with the chicken broth. So yesterday I had boiled the chicken or have it on simmer for 30 minutes to 45 minutes, and then this morning I ripped it apart, and so that was pre-done. So the oil is hot here. I'm going in with garlic and onion. So I had in the pot 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. I use a lot of coconut oil. I love the flavor of coconut oil. I love coconut oil. I love all things coconut. So we're gonna just toast this. Toast it. I love the smell of onion and garlic. Tell me below if you love the smell of onion and garlic. Oh, yeah. And then I'm gonna go in with the tomato. And cumin and chipotle. It's coming together so nicely. Oh my gosh. And I'm gonna add my, jazz it up a little bit with a little bit of Jamaican something. Curry. Toast it. Toast this until everything is coated and fully combined, and the onion and the garlic. The onion is coming translucent as well. So I'm going to remove this from the heat and put everything in the blender here. Ooh, it smells so good. Smells so good. Smells so good. Not all curry is created equal, but yeah, I love curry as well. I love food in general, but there's some spice and herb when they talk, when they speak to you. It's a different language. It's a different language and a different feeling. So I'm gonna go in with the chicken broth. This is 2 cups here. Oops. And I'm gonna go ahead and blend it until everything is combined, and then we're gonna put it back in the pot and let it cook. We're letting it come together. You know, when we introduce our friends, we let them have some time to get to know each other. That's what's going on here in the blender. Let's see what this looks like. So then I'm gonna go in and add the oregano. You can add it in everything, but I just wanted to take my time to add everything gradually. Now that everything is combined together, I'm going to go ahead and put it in the pot. So I'm going to turn this heat on. Turn this heat on. Goodness here. This is goodness. So we're gonna let this cook down for a bit, and then we're gonna add our chicken. And again, whenever you invite someone new to the party, let them get to know each other, yeah? Okay, so now I have this simmering. I'm gonna go ahead and add the chicken breast to it and let it simmer some more and cook together, and then we can have this with tacos, tortillas, or rice. But I'm gonna show you the finished product. So we're gonna go in with our chicken. So we're gonna let this simmer on low, and then we're gonna see what the finished product looks like. See you in 15 to 30 minutes. Hey, welcome back. So I had this on low simmer for the juice to, get out. So it's a little bit, it's where we want it to be at. You don't want it to be dry. So it was very watery earlier with a lot of liquid, actually, a lot of sauce, very saucy. Very saucy. Smells good. Smells smoky from the chipotle. So I'm gonna serve it with tortilla and let you see what it looks like. You can also have this with rice or on tostadas, however you like. So I have freshly made tortilla from the tortilleria near. So I'm gonna serve this up. Turn this heat off because we are done here. And the vegan version of this would be using mushroom, oyster mushroom. That would be the vegan version. So and there we have it. Tinga, curry tinga, curry chicken tinga, chicken curry tinga, Jamaican style. So if you like this video, please like, subscribe, share with your friends, leave a comment below, let me know what you'd also like to see. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.